Hello everybody, welcome. It's our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I'd like to share with you one of our valve assembly, and let's see it together. Firstly, you will see the outside package is this kind of blue VCINT roast bag. And here this is our Shumatt's label. And the first line of the label, you will see this is our Shumatt's brand logo. And the product code is F00RJ02130 inject control valve. And here this is applicable inject number 0445120059, etc. I just listed one, and it can be applicable for many model numbers. If you want to know the details, please check our videos or it print with here, you can see clearly. Oh, by the way, if you some customers have other demand, like if you want to print with your own logo, the label, the packages, etc., we support a customized service for our customers. And then I will open it to see the inside product. Okay, for this one, the product code is F00RJ02130 and 120 series, and China made brand new. As you can see the inside, we use this kind of plastic bottles to package it. It's very safe, so you don't need to worry about anything during the transportation, anything will hurt the inside product. It's very safe. Of course, in the inside, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. Wow, that's our valve assembly. Here. And for this one, it can be applicable for many inject model numbers. And actually, we're not only selling this kind of whole valve assembly, we also sell the separate one, such as this kind of valve cap and this valve rod. And for this kind of valve cap, if you see clearly, you will find in the valve cap, in here, it has several coating figures in the inside. This position. That's the valve rod. High quality product before we send to our customers, we will make the test, and our professionals, staffs, and our factory workers will make the test and check it. After that, we will send out to our customers. And also, we supply with 6 months warranty time to our customers. During the warranty time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, we can return or exchange it. Here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean this kind of valve assembly, clean it with oil. Don't clean it with water, okay? And the second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. And the third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the inject body. That's all the tips I want to share with you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Yes, more details, please. You can leave the comments below these videos, and also you can add our WhatsApp, the emails, or you can just call us. We have the phone numbers. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.